In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted board in Trello. If you've ever thought a board was gone for good, there's good news. In Trello, what many people call deleted is usually just closed. A closed board is hidden from your main view, but can be brought back in seconds, with all of its lists, cards, and members intact. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so you know what to expect. Start on your Trello boards page, the place where you normally see all your active boards. Look for the option labeled View All Closed Boards. It's typically found toward the bottom of the boards page and opens a dedicated area that shows every board that's been closed in your current workspace or personal account. Clicking this takes you to a simple list of those boards, so you don't have to guess which board was archived where. This page is your recovery hub. Once you're on the closed boards page, find the board you want to bring back and click Reopen. That's it. Trello immediately restores the board to your active boards list, and everything that was on it, lists, cards, attachments, due dates, and member assignments, reappears just as you left them. You won't need to recreate anything manually, and team members who had access before will see it return to their own board's view as well. A couple of quick notes to help you avoid hiccups. If you don't see a board you expect in the closed boards list, make sure you're looking within the correct workspace. Boards are tied to the space where they were created. Also, if the reopen button isn't available for a board, you may not have the right permissions to restore it. In that case, a workspace admin or board admin can reopen it for you. It's also worth understanding the difference between closing and permanently deleting. Closing simply hides a board and is reversible using the steps we just covered. If someone has permanently deleted a board, it cannot be recovered. Most teams close boards rather than delete them to prevent accidental data loss. So check the closed boards view first before assuming it's gone. After you click Reopen, give the page a moment to refresh. Then head back to your main boards view and you'll find the board ready to use again. From there, you can rename it, update members, or continue where you left off. That's all it takes to recover a deleted, really closed board in Trello. Open the closed boards view and click Reopen on the board you want back.